आज है सचिन सर की बर्थडे, तो आज हम उनके टॉप 5 रूल्स ऑफ सक्सेस के बारे में बात करेंगे।
Something which is really, really important is, which I believed, you have to chase your dreams. Dreams do come true. I've chased one for last 21 years. One World Cup for India after 21 years. So dreams do come true. It may take a bit longer than some, but they do come true. Sometimes what happens that we push ourselves, but not enough, because we try and then we find excuses. We say that, oh, enough, I've tried, it's not happening, and you give up. And one extra step, success is waiting for you, which you sometimes don't end up taking. So always be prepared to push yourself.
इस क्लिप में सचिन सर कहते हैं पुश योरसेल्फ एवरी सिंगल डे। यू हैव टू गिव योर 120% एवरी सिंगल डे एंड यू आर वन स्टेप अवे फ्रॉम सक्सेस। उनको खुद को 21 साल लगे, सो पुश योरसेल्फ।
Fearless, and the other way to describe that is confident, self-belief. I believe that if you are confident of your ability, if you are confident of your preparations, some people call it fearless, some people call it confidence, and I feel I'm confident of whatever I do. I fail sometimes, I succeed sometimes, so that's fair enough. It's a package deal. It comes with that package, failures and success. So I would put it differently. I'm confident and I trust my instincts.
सचिन सर इस क्लिप में कहते हैं बी कॉन्फिडेंट। आपको आपके खुद के ऊपर विश्वास होना चाहिए कि आप कर सकते हैं। आपको आपके प्रिपरेशंस पे विश्वास होना चाहिए कि आप कर सकते हो। सो बी कॉन्फिडेंट, बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ। नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू थर्ड।
When I first played for India, which was my dream, my father took me aside and told me that you have reached your landmark. Now what next? So I told him that I'm going to continue playing for India. So he said, everything in life is going to be temporary. You will play cricket for 10, 15 years, maybe 20 years. But what happens beyond that? Because everything is going to be temporary in your life. The only thing which will stay permanently with you till your last breath is the person that you are. The nature of a person has to be good. So I said, a lot of things will happen when you play cricket. People will appreciate, but I would be happier if people appreciated you more as a good person. So try and be a good person. It's something I would want all of you boys and girls to follow. Try and be a good person first. I think to respect your opposition, your teammates is really important. I can understand everyone is out here to win. Not everyone can be winners, but you can definitely win everyone's hearts. You can win some games, you can lose some games. In my career, I haven't won all the games, but something which sport teaches you is when there is failure, when you're faced with challenges, sport teaches you to get back on your feet again and compete harder in the right spirit. And that's what my message to you would be. Compete hard, but play in the right spirit and respect your sport above all.
सचिन सर इस क्लिप में कहते हैं बी अ गुड पर्सन, बी हम्बल, गिव रिस्पेक्ट टू योर पेरेंट्स, योर टीचर्स, योर कोचेस, योर टीममेट्स, योर ऑपोजिशंस। सबके साथ हम्बल रहे और सबको रिस्पेक्ट करें।
You all have dreams. You all have vision in life of what you want to be, to become a priceless, precious diamond. You all are talented. You all are sent down by God with some or the other talent. We just need to identify that, and then from an uncut, unpolished diamond to become a polished, priceless diamond. It is a process, it's a journey where the path won't be easy. Sometimes when you're trying to do certain things, there might be obstacles. Don't give up, don't find shortcuts. I think it is important to follow the right path always. And in tough times, tough men last. So I'm very, very confident that if you follow the right things in life, you would be able to achieve your dreams.
इन दिस क्लिप सचिन सर सेज आपकी कोई भी जर्नी में ऑब्स्टेकल्स आने वाले हैं, फेलियर्स आने वाले हैं, देयर आर गोना बी सम डार्क मोमेंट्स, आपकी लाइफ के लोएस्ट मोमेंट्स भी आने वाले हैं. सो डोंट गिव अप, देयर आर नो शॉर्टकट्स.
My father was a writer. He was a poet. Said whatever you want to be in life, I don't expect you to become a poet. Your passion is cricket. So in cricket, you make sure that you give your best. My father told me that don't look to find shortcuts. There are going to be tough phases in your career. It doesn't matter if you fail following the right path. So keep following the right path. As long as your heart tells you that yes, today you've tried your best. That is what I expect from you. Nothing more than that.
सचिन सर इस क्लिप में कहते हैं उनके पापा एक राइटर हैं. उन्होंने सचिन सर को कहा कि आप बैड टाइम से जाएंगे, आपको बीच में बहुत सारी डिफिकल्टीज फेस करनी पड़ेगी, आपके राइट पाथ को फॉलो करते रहना है. और वो कहते हैं अपना 100% दो अपनी प्रिपरेशंस में, अपनी प्रैक्टिस में. तो ये था हमारा आज का स्पेशल एपिसोड और हमारे 30 डे वीडियोस का एपिसोड 24.